So here's something you're not going to find every day. 6 bedrooms in the heart of McKinney. This is the street scene. Really quiet neighborhood. 2-car garage. Great landscaping. Let's go take a look. This house is 3,600 square feet. Come in the front door. You have a coat closet, dining room. You have an office here at the front of the house. Come into the main part of the house. Big living room, kitchen, eat-in, kitchen. This is the main bedroom downstairs. That's a king-size bed with nightstands on both sides, double vanity sink, bathtub, shower, water closet, and the main closet here. Yeah. King-size bed, nightstands on each side, big furniture there. Then you have a half bath downstairs. This goes into the 2-car garage, pantry. And we can look at the outside while we're here. Backyard. Great looking backyard. Big patio. So quiet. Okay, that's 1 bedroom downstairs, and I told you it was 5 bedrooms. I told you it was 6 bedrooms, so let's go find the other 5. Go upstairs. You're gonna like this. Get to the top of the stairs, you got a little sitting area here. Then you got a big bonus room. Be a media room, could be a study room, workout room. That's a big room. And then here you have bedroom number 2, closet. Go down the hall here. Bedroom number 3. And then it has a Jack and Jill bathroom that goes to another bedroom. This is a bathroom here. This is the bedroom that the Jack and Jill goes to. And when we come this way, you have 2 more bedrooms down here. 1 here, full size, and another one here. Nice layout. These have closets. There's a water heater up here. There's another pantry closet. Here's the air handler. Really nice looking house. This house is listed at $569 in the heart of McKinney. It's a great buy.